Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another vlog. So, in case this is the first time you are seeing me here, it is me here, Amy Thonia. That's my name, and I am a Nigerian that is based here in Italy, bringing you content based on lifestyle. So, this morning I am done with my school run, and I'm heading off right away to go and buy some Christmas decoration. So I am the late comers, okay? So I have not done any Christmas decoration. My trees are still there, no decoration yet. So every year we always buy decorations, and before Christmas is over, at least by New Year, the twins, they must have torn some, scattered some, all of that. So I'm off now to go and buy some Christmas decoration, and our Christmas will be going up today. I mean, our Christmas tree will be going up today. We are going to be decorating that in the evening by the time they are all back at home. So come with me, guys. Let's go and see if they have never finished buying everything, as in like what is remaining in this store. Let's go and check. Okay, guys, I trust you guys are doing absolutely good. I trust you guys are doing fantastic. Compliments of the season once more, and let's go there. Okay.